all, welcome to my channel Medico Talks. So today I'm going to unbox this Marrow edition 6 notes. So I'm very excited to open this. So let's see what amazing things will be there inside along with the notes. So this is the box. We are going to open it now. So you can see an envelope. So we'll see what is there inside. So we can see some bookmarks like this, amazing and colorful ones. And we can see some of the stickers. So cute and lovely. And a letter from Marrow for buying the books. Okay, and I think nothing else is inside. Okay, so now I'll open this. I'm very excited to see what will be there other than the books. Even books are excited, but some things make us more excited than books. So this is a Marrow rumble. You can see the playing cards. We have playing cards like this. So let's see and play the game later. This is rumble from Marrow. Thank you so much, Marrow. And we have stick notes. Now we'll go with the books, right? So this is book of pediatrics. This we'll keep aside to arrange the final year books. And this is the book of dermatology. You can keep near the final year. And this is also the book of psychiatry. This I'll keep in the final year portion. And this is the book of physiology. Very cool and green. This I'll keep with the first year books. And this is the book of radiology. See how nice it is. The hands of a small kid. And next, this is the book of surgery, volume 2. So surgery will be in 2 volumes. So then the book of microbiology, the first second year book we got, and this is so curious. And you can see the book of pathology. We have the forensic medicine, and we have anatomy. This pink is very exciting, elegant color. So this I'll keep with first year books. And this is pharmacology. This is also a very nice color. So this is the book of orthopedics. This is the book of community medicine. This 30. And this is the book of ophthalmology. And this is the volume 1 of surgery. And this is the book of ENT. We can see the earphones in the ENT book. And this is the book of anesthesia. Sleeping very nicely. This is the book of obstetrics. And this is the book of microbiology, volume 1. And this is the book of biochemistry. And this is the book of technology. This is the book of anatomy, volume 1. This is the book of gynecology. And this is the book of community medicine. so nothing is left inside. So we have 4 books for the first year. These are the 4 books: 2 anatomy and 1 biochemistry and physiology, right? These are the 4 books. And for the second year we have 2 volumes of pathology, 2 volumes of microbiology, and 1 forensic. So totally 4, 5, 6 books for the second year, right? Second year. And the third year we have 2 volumes for the community medicine and each one for the ENT and ophthalmology. So totally 4 books for third year. And here we can see the main books for final year. 1 obstetric, 1 gynecology, 2 surgery, volume 1 and 2. We have 2 volumes for surgery. So 4. We have radiology, psychiatry, dermatology, and anesthesia, 4 peripheral books, and we have orthopedics and pediatrics. So these are the books. So we didn't get the book of general medicine because it is not yet printed, so we'll get it soon. So till then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 books of final year without the general medicine. Now we'll see inside the books what they have been given and how the quality of pages are. So the quality of page is very nice, thick, and we can also see the active spaces like this to write the extra points to be noted. So, and one thing, the difference between the edition 5 and 4 is we didn't have any spaces in between. Like they used to miss some of the topics in between to fill by ourselves while watching the video. That is known as active writing. So we didn't have any active writing kind of things in this edition. So that is the difference. And they have given good pictures. You can see good pictures in the pathology, like the histopathological and other different pictures. Books are very nice. And one more thing about this is I got a rumble and stick note. Coming to the price, this is actually 7,994 rupees. Along with the CGST and other taxes, we got it for 9,749 rupees. So this is about the price. So these are the things I got in the unboxing of Marrow edition 6 notes. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.